Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is the trim for in behind the toilet. And in order to have clearance for the valve that comes through the wall, I have to cut a half round hole. It's about this big. It's actually a little bigger than what I need, but it's going to work. So to do that, I want to use this hole saw. But if I just try and go in there and cut that with a hole saw, freehand, I'm going to mess it up. It's going to chew everything all to pieces. So I'm going to try a little trick and see if it works. It's always interesting to try new things. Okay, got that on. I suppose I could do this with a hand drill, but I really don't want to. What I'm going to do is first drill a hole into this to make a pilot. Now that's going to guide the saw blade, the hole saw, down. And I want to set this so that I'm lined up over the hole. And the easiest way to do that is to set that like that and clamp it down. I start that in there, and I want to go very slowly. And there, I have a nicely cut hole. Just like that. All I gotta do is break the edges, clean that up, put a little paint on it, and we're ready. Okay, hole cut, painted, ready to go. Now I'm going to go upstairs and paint the walls so I can put this trim up and not have to edge along it. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.